Hello everyone, welcome back to That Cyber Guy. Today we are diving into the future of technology, exploring the powerful combination of the 5G and Internet of Things. We'll be using Kali Linux and the Shodan search engine to understand the security implications of these innovations. So when it comes to that search engine, some people pronounce it like Shodan or Shodan. So whatever works for you is fine. So first, let's talk about 5G. So 5G is not about faster downloads on your smartphone, but 5G is a game changer for wireless communication. With increased speed and reliability, it's paving the way for a more connected world. How does Kali Linux fit into this? So we are going to use Kali Linux and Shodan to leverage a 5G network for advanced penetration testing and security assessments. Buckle up, it's going to be an exciting ride.
Learn cybersecurity in no time.
Let's delve into the Internet of Things. So Internet of Things, they are smart homes, like your smart refrigerator, your smart vacuum, your smart cameras. They are all smart things, and they call them Internet of Things. So it is all connecting device like never before. In the past, it will be very impossible for you to be in California and be able to open your garage in Atlanta. So you can actually turn on your thermostat, turn it off, etc. So this is the benefit of the Internet of Things. However, the Internet of Things can be dangerous if it is not securely configured. So this is what we are going to discuss today. So we will use Shodan, the search engine for the Internet of Things, to explore and analyze the security posture of various connected devices. So it's eye-opening to see how vulnerable some of these gadgets can be. So now what we can do, let's just head over our Kali Linux machine and then can just go to Firefox. Now as you can see, I have my search engine open. As I say, some people say Shodan or Shodan. So what we are going to do today, we are going to just show you how Internet of Things can be vulnerable, even though they provide a lot of convenience for us in our daily lives. So what you're going to need first, you're going to need to create an account. So I are already logging, and then you can create a free account. So you can search for webcam or thermostat, so whatever. So in my case, I'm going to search for webcam. And then from there, you see that we have a bunch of webcam that is popped up. So I'm going to choose United States. And then from there, you see all these states, like Miami, Atlanta, Santa Clara. I can choose Miami. Before I choose Miami, there's one thing I want you to see. Let me get back. You see many of those devices, they say honeypot. So you gotta be careful, because all the honeypots, so security professionals, they just set these cameras up with vulnerabilities. They do that on purpose to lure attackers. So if you try to just do something into the camera, they might see your tactics or what you were trying to do, etc. So now let's just click on Miami. And then from there, as you can see here, we see the information about the camera. We see the IP address, the server information, and then you see the HTTP. So this is live because it's 200 OK, etc. So if you can actually go deeper. For the purpose of that video, I'm not going to deeper, but you can actually go deeper until you just see way more information about those cameras. So now as we wrap up, so it's very important to just practice security. So if you have an Internet of Things at your house, it's very important to just make sure that you have good encryption, and then you set them up securely. Make sure that all your Internet of Things, they have firmware update and they are up to date and up and running. So if you're a device owner, so make sure that your settings, they are secure and up to date. So thank you for joining us today on this journey into the future of technology. If you find this insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, with great connectivity comes the responsibility to stay secure. Until next time, stay tech savvy.